Good day, Madam and Sir. I'm Karen Navales Silogo, 42 years old. I'm married with two kids, 11 years old boy, 23 years old girl. I'm studying at the Negros Occidental School of Fisheries, Bachelor in Science, major in Business Management. I am hardworking, trustworthy, honest, and responsible person. I have local experience here in the Philippines. First, Korean family, 4 member, one couple, two kids, 9 and 10, all girls. My duty are tutoring, cleaning the house, mopping the house, sweeping the house, vacuum the house, hand washing, cleaning the dishes, marketing, grocery, bring kids in the school, pick up kids in the school. My second experience, Filipino family, 3 member, one couple, and incoming baby girl. My duty are cleaning the bottle, marketing, grocery, take care the baby, feeding the baby, cleaning the dishes, sweeping the floor, vacuum the floor, mopping the floor, feeding the baby, and washes the dishes and hand wash. The third experience, Filipino Chinese family. 3 member, one couple, 1 years old boy. My duties are cleaning the house, cleaning the bottle, feed the 1 years old boy, cleaning the room, mopping, vacuum the floor, sweeping the floor, wash the dishes, hand wash, and cooking the Filipino food. And I have also experience in Hong Kong. First employer, 4 member, one couple, two kids, 9 and 10, all boy. My duties are cleaning the dishes, preparing the breakfast, cleaning the house, bring the child in the school, pick up the child in the school, mopping, vacuum the floor, marketing, grocery, cooking simple Chinese food, second employer, 4 member, two elderly, and two kids, age 31, boy, 34, girl. My duties are cleaning the house, marketing, grocery, mopping the floor, vacuum the floor, hand wash, cleaning the dishes, and my third experience, 3 member of the family, one couple, 4 years old, kids, boy. My duties are tutoring, cleaning the dishes, preparing the breakfast, preparing the lunch, cooking simple food of Chinese, mopping the floor, vacuum the floor,